Scholars following Hegel often insist that Hegel closed the door on art prematurely, and it's rather that each epoch has to make its own decision as to what the function of its art will be. So let's say it's an open question whether art can continue in our own time its vocation of giving appearance to our distinctively human values. In any case, what we want to keep from Hegel is first that the importance of architecture is not just its aesthetics, but its deep historicity. By that I mean the felt fact of architecture existing in time as well as in space. And second, is Hegel's placement of architecture at the center of human existence, not as the work of isolated individuals, though he knew there were architects and he knew there were individual builders, but he placed the work of architecture at the center of existence as a work of what he called the spirit, which for us means of the community, of the collective. Now, making much more modest claims, we want to look at the work of a modern architect who shares Hegel's understanding that architecture is one of the fundamental postulates of our existence in the world, of the way we are being in the world, and a central medium of human thought and human memory. For Aldo Rossi, architecture in our own time must struggle with this lack of meaning, with this pastness to which Hegel condemned architecture. But in Rossi's work, there's also the suggestion that the challenge of architecture's origin is not just behind us, as Hegel insisted, but that architecture is finding its origin again and again, that it has to constantly be reenacted, that it has to constantly be reimagined, and that architecture is constantly beginning again.